Question number 5. Coming up a lot, this question. So, live webinar recordings. How long, on average, do yours take to come through on the recording page after the session end time? Mine can take hours and want to check if that's right. So, let me just show you something here. Let me just go back to my page. Let me go back here. So I'm in my live. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to get rid of that. So go over to live. So if I look at, for example, my interactive webinars, did I set it up as interactive webinars? I can't remember. 1-to-1, actually, I think it was. So if I go back into the last session that I completed here, my AI summary comes in real fast. I mean, super fast. Within, I'd say, 10 minutes of the recording finished. It's really, really quick. That's brilliant. My cloud recording, now I have this here. Now I tend to go to the link and then download it from there because I get my multi-view option. So when I share my screen and all of that, that's the ones I want. Otherwise, I'm downloading way too many files. This appears here. Now, there is variations on this. We've got a lot of users using Zenler. They share the enterprise level Zoom account that we give you access to. And what happens is it doesn't process everyone using it at the same time. So if 100 people finish a recording at the same time, it doesn't necessarily mean 100 are being processed at that time. They often get queued via Zoom, and that's how they work. So one part of it is the length of it. If it's really, really long, extended session up to 4 hours, it can take quite a long time. If it's really short, sometimes it's a little bit quicker. But in my experience of this, and the standard protocol is, it can take up to 48 hours. Often it's quicker than that. I tend to just, when I've finished, just go, right, I'm done, leave it, and then go. We do have, of course, the option in Zoom to record locally. So we don't have to use the cloud recording. Now, if we record locally, then it'll almost download instantly. But it's if we want to use the cloud recording, that's the one that takes the time. So work out what's more important to you. Have you got the facility to be able to download it on your own PC? And then you can share it and put it wherever you want? Or do you 100% need the cloud recording function? That's your first question. If you do need the cloud recording, you're going to have to accept the fact it might take a day, it might take a little bit longer. I've not known it take over 2 days before, so hopefully it won't take longer than that, but there is no guaranteed time on it. So it's not you. It panics you as well because it doesn't tell you it's processing and then suddenly it just appears. And it always freaks me out because I think, oh my God, I've lost my recording when I haven't. It's still there. So I get the anxiety behind it and all of that. As long as when you've set it up, you've activated cloud recording, or if you haven't, when you set the live up and you've gone in, you've started Zoom, and then you go to the recording button on there, you make sure, click record to cloud, record to desktop, or record locally. So just make sure that that's been done. People like the cloud recording feature because it's done when you set the live up, and therefore in the space of 15 minutes you can forget. Believe me, I've forgotten before. But if you want a guaranteed way of having it fast, I mean really fast, then you've got to do local recording and not cloud recording. That's all there is to it. So hopefully that's answered your question for quack question number 5.